5 years ago, I looked like this. However, now I look like this. And that happened because I ignored one thing, and that was that my brain was in survival mode. Every goal and every promise that I made to myself were broken before I even started. So, in this video, I will show you the concept that finally changed everything for me. And it is the foundation of the entire year of my brain rewiring challenge. Hi there, I'm a vet, a neuroscientist, and an author of several neuroscience studies. And someone who studies brains for a living, but still couldn't fix their own. On this channel, I talk about the application of neuroscience to our lives. And right now, I'm in the middle of a year-long brain rewiring challenge, where I'm turning my life around using the science I've spent a decade studying. So if you are interested in how it turns out, well, follow for more. We set goals and start strong, but somewhere along the way, this dream of ours disintegrates. And when it does, we blame ourselves and think that we are the problem. But what if I told you that this cycle of broken dreams is because your brain is stuck trying to survive? And let me tell you, survival always beats self-improvement. In the course of a few years, I managed to forget myself. I was stressed and gained a lot of weight. And even though I tried, I kept failing at the same goals over and over again. The problem was that I saw my weight gain as a body problem and my stress problem as an outside problem. However, I missed that all of these problems are actually a brain problem. And once I got that insight, well, I knew exactly how to turn my life around. And that was by taking care of my baseline. So let me explain. Your brain is constantly monitoring 3 interconnected life systems. I call them your baseline. So first there's the physical baseline, where there's sleep, movement, and nutrition. Think of this as your brain's hardware, the actual biological machinery that makes thinking, well, possible. Then there's the mental baseline, where there's focus, emotional regulation, and also clarity. And this is your brain's operating system. Well, how well you can direct attention and manage stress. And the last one, the third one, is social baseline. And here lies connection and belonging. And so to continue the analogy, think of it as your brain's Wi-Fi signal. When you have a low signal, everything runs slower and glitchier. And this one surprises people. But your brain treats social isolation as a survival threat. We're literally wired for connection. So here's what happens when any of these 3 systems drop to low. Your brain shifts resources away from your prefrontal cortex, that is the part responsible for planning and decision making, and redirects everything towards threat detection and survival mode. And here another brain part comes into action, which is your amygdala, and it starts running the show. The stress hormone cortisol rises, and your brain essentially says, we're not safe enough to think about the future right now. We're just trying to get through today. And this is why you can't willpower your way through exhaustion. This is why you keep breaking promises to yourself. Your brain is doing exactly what it evolved to do: prioritize survival over growth. And when I finally understood this, I stopped asking, why can't I stick to my goals? And started asking, what's making my brain feel so unsafe? I was trying to build a house while the foundation was cracking. So yeah, let's get our hands dirty and start fixing our foundation. So there are 3 steps in fixing the foundation. The first step is to assess where you actually are. So first you have to rate yourself honestly from 1 to 10 in each system. That is physical, mental, and social. Most of us have never done this, and I didn't either before this year. And this is because we just feel off or stuck without knowing where the leak is. And when I did this, I realized that my physical was maybe a 3. I had stopped exercising and I was fueling myself with whatever was convenient. No wonder my brain was in survival mode. Now, if you're sitting there thinking, well, Yvette, I don't even know how to rate myself. No problem, because I made something for you. It's a free quiz called the Brain Rewiring Starter Quiz. It takes around 2 minutes to complete, and you need to answer questions about all 3 systems, and then it will give you your baseline score for each system and a possible neuroscience back takeaway that you can apply. So link will be in the description. Pause and take it now if you need it. I'll wait. And if you want to find like-minded people taking part of this journey, well, drop a comment with your baseline score. And let's see where everyone's at. Then there's step 2, which is find your lowest system. Once you have your scores, find the lowest one. This is your starting point. Not the goal you want, but it's rather the baseline that's blocking it. For me, all 3 were low. But no matter if you have 1 or all 3 are off, you need to choose one and start somewhere. Because trying to fix everything at once is how we burn out and quit. And anyway, we'll get to the rest soon enough. And then there's the third step, which is micro-restoration. And here's the key. Do not have a goal that is a dramatic overhaul. Well, you can have that on your vision board, but not on your to-do list. And let's be realistic. If you are a couch potato like I was, you are not gonna run a marathon next month. Not even if David Goggins himself is shouting at you 24/7. So let's stop pretending and start focusing on tiny consistent inputs that signal safety in your brain and restore your baseline. So once baseline stabilizes, your prefrontal cortex comes back online and your brain stops fighting you. And this is when actual change becomes possible. If you are not sure what small actions you can take to shut off your amygdala and bring back your decision-making center back online, well, I have been doing this for almost a month. I am posting short-form content every single day, documenting my journey and reporting insights, what works, and what hurdles I am encountering along the way. And I hope that I can put the whole playlist somewhere here. But yeah, since I started, now I already feel better. And although the physical results are not there yet, but by slightly improving my baseline, well, life feels like a nicer place again. And with this, thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Ciao!